Hi guys, welcome back to Dude's Tech. Today, we're checking out the best HDMI wireless extender that can totally change how you connect your screens at home or at work. If you are tired of long, messy cables, this might be exactly what you need. Let's talk about what makes it special and why it stands out. Let's get started. Today's product is the Lemorel HDMI wireless extender. This device is built to make your multimedia setup simple and clean. No complicated installation, no confusing steps. You just plug it in and it works. The transmitter and receiver automatically pair within 5 seconds after you connect them. That means you can start streaming from your laptop, gaming console, or TV box almost instantly. It truly feels like plug and play done right. Powering the Lemorel HDMI wireless extender is also easy. Both the transmitter and receiver support plug and charge functionality. You do not need extra bulky adapters or a bunch of cables. Just connect them properly and they power up, keeping your setup neat and organized. Now let's talk about range. This extender supports wireless transmission up to 165 feet. That gives you a lot of freedom when arranging your room. You can place your TV, projector, or monitor far from your source device without running a long HDMI cable across the floor. If there are walls or obstacles in between, the range can reduce to around 32 feet, but it still gives solid flexibility for most homes and offices. One of the most impressive features of the Lemorel HDMI wireless extender is multi-transmitter support. You can connect up to 8 transmitters to one receiver. With one click, you can switch between devices. This is perfect if you want to move between different laptops or media sources quickly. For personal use, one transmitter pairs with one receiver at a time, and multiple receivers cannot connect to a single transmitter at once. This keeps the connection stable and easy to manage. When it comes to picture quality, you get crisp 1080p resolution with a smooth 60 Hz refresh rate. That means clear visuals for movies, sharp slides for presentations, and responsive performance for gaming. The built-in 5G smart chip helps keep the signal stable and reduces interruptions, so you get reliable wireless HDMI performance without annoying drops or lag. Design-wise, the Lemorel HDMI wireless extender is compact and modern. It does not take up much space, and it blends easily into your setup. The clean look and simple connection style make it ideal for both home entertainment systems and professional meeting rooms. This little device really brings together convenience, performance, and flexibility in one simple package. If you want a cleaner and smarter setup, this is worth a look. Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your needs. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.